Burkina Faso is undergoing a remarkable transformation under Captain Ibrahim Traoré's leadership, charting a bold new course in infrastructure development. One of his latest initiatives is the adoption of an innovative road construction and maintenance method known as the Dono technique, a Japanese-engineered approach that promises to make roads more durable, sustainable, and cost-effective. This groundbreaking initiative, spearheaded by Burkina Faso's Ministry of Infrastructure and Disenclavement, launched in February 2025 in partnership with the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA. The project is not just about fixing roads, it's about reimagining how a landlocked nation like Burkina Faso can enhance connectivity, facilitate trade, and improve everyday life for its citizens. The Dono method, a pioneering Japanese approach to road maintenance, is now being introduced in Ouagadougou and Bobo-Dioulasso. But what exactly does this mean for Burkina Faso's road network? Let's dive in. Recognizing the importance of modern infrastructure in national progress, President Ibrahim Traoré has facilitated a strategic collaboration between Burkina Faso and JICA. From February 17th to 21st, 2025, Burkina Faso hosted an intensive training program on the Dono technique, equipping local engineers, road maintenance workers, and officials with practical skills to enhance road quality and resilience. The training was attended by representatives from 12 districts of Ouagadougou and 5 districts of Bobo-Dioulasso, marking a significant step toward improving road networks across the country. Rather than relying on outdated techniques or expensive foreign contractors, Traoré's government is ensuring that local professionals gain hands-on expertise to maintain and develop roads independently. One of the key highlights of the program took place on Thursday, February 20th, 2025, at the National School of Public Works in Ouagadougou. A practical demonstration session was conducted, allowing participants to apply the Dono technique firsthand under the guidance of Japanese experts. This session wasn't just a lecture, it was an opportunity for local engineers to witness the effectiveness of this method in real-world conditions. The demonstration emphasized the simplicity, efficiency, and sustainability of the Dono approach, reinforcing Traoré's commitment to practical, community-driven solutions rather than theoretical policies that never leave the pages of a report. This initiative reflects Traoré's broader vision, leveraging international partnerships, not as a crutch, but as a tool for long-term self-reliance. By introducing advanced road maintenance techniques without falling into dependency, Burkina Faso is setting an example for other African nations. The impact of this project extends beyond roads. Reliable infrastructure means better trade, safer travel, and stronger local economies. It means farmers can transport their goods more efficiently, students can reach schools without difficulty, and businesses can operate smoothly, boosting national productivity. Under Traoré, Burkina Faso is proving that bold leadership can translate into tangible progress. This is not just another government project, it's a game-changer. It signals a new era where African nations innovate, collaborate, and take control of their destinies rather than waiting for handouts from the West. With this project, Traoré is reinforcing a powerful message. Africa's development will not be dictated by foreign powers, but by African leaders with the vision and courage to act. The Dono method is just one piece of the puzzle, but it represents something much bigger: a continent moving forward on its own terms. The Dono technique, meaning earth bag in Japanese, is a revolutionary approach to road construction and maintenance that utilizes locally sourced materials such as laterite, sand, and gravel, packed into durable bags to reinforce roads. According to Kanuya Chikathimi, JICA's resident representative in Burkina Faso, this method is particularly effective in rural and flood-prone areas. It is cost-efficient, easy to implement, and built to withstand harsh conditions, making it a perfect fit for President Ibrahim Traoré's vision of sustainable development. By relying on materials readily available in Burkina Faso, this technique not only reduces construction expenses, but also minimizes environmental impact. Its simplicity allows it to be widely adopted without the need for heavy machinery, making it accessible even in remote areas where resources are scarce. More importantly, it prioritizes local labor, ensuring that communities are directly involved in maintaining their own infrastructure. This initiative, led by Burkina Faso's Ministry of Infrastructure and Disenclavement, is part of a broader national strategy to enhance road networks, particularly in landlocked and underserved regions. Tiemle Jean Winsilas, Secretary General of the Ministry, emphasized the significance of this approach, stating that the Dono technique combines modern effectiveness with simplicity, making it a preferred solution for large-scale implementation. The program is being rolled out across 12 districts in Ouagadougou and 5 in Bobo-Dioulasso, ensuring that both urban and semi-urban areas benefit from improved transportation networks. However, the true impact extends beyond these cities. The project serves as a crucial step in linking remote villages to economic hubs, opening doors to new opportunities in trade, education, and healthcare. By breaking down the physical barriers that have long hindered access to essential services, this initiative lays the foundation for a more connected and economically vibrant Burkina Faso. More than just a road-building technique, the Dono initiative is a powerful tool for local empowerment. By training district agents and community members in this method, Traoré's administration is shifting the responsibility for infrastructure development into the hands of the people. As Tiemle Jean Winsilas pointed out, equipping communities with the knowledge to maintain their own roads strengthens their independence and ensures long-term sustainability. Rather than relying on foreign contractors or costly government interventions, Burkina Faso is fostering a culture of self-sufficiency. This decentralized approach aligns perfectly with Traoré's larger vision of grassroots-driven development, where local populations play an active role in shaping their future. The benefits are not just logistical, but also economic, creating jobs, supporting small businesses, and stimulating local markets as materials and labor are sourced from within the country. For a landlocked nation like Burkina Faso, where transportation is the backbone of trade and development, the introduction of the Dono method has far-reaching consequences. Poor road conditions have long been a major obstacle to economic growth, making it difficult for farmers to sell their produce, students to reach schools, and medical supplies to reach those in need. By improving infrastructure in flood-prone and rural areas, this initiative removes barriers that have kept communities isolated and impoverished. Beyond that, the economic ripple effect of this method is undeniable. Lower construction costs free up government resources for other essential services, while increased connectivity fuels commerce and strengthens social ties. Traoré's vision for Burkina Faso is not just about roads. It is about redefining progress on African terms. The Dono technique represents more than just an engineering innovation. It is a statement of self-reliance, a declaration that development does not have to come at the cost of sovereignty. By embracing homegrown solutions, leveraging local talent, and fostering community engagement, Burkina Faso is proving that sustainable growth is achievable without external dependency. Traoré's Dono program is a groundbreaking initiative rooted in sustainability and forward-thinking infrastructure development. By prioritizing non-mechanized techniques and locally sourced materials, this method significantly reduces environmental harm and carbon emissions, aligning perfectly with global efforts to combat climate change. The Japanese International Cooperation Agency, JICA, highlights that the Dono technique is specifically designed to withstand Burkina Faso's harsh climate, making it resistant to heavy rains, erosion, and the wear and tear that often shortens the lifespan of traditional roads. This durability ensures that the roads built today will serve communities for generations, reinforcing Traoré's vision of long-term progress without compromising the environment. Burkina Faso is positioning itself as a leader in sustainable road construction in Africa, showcasing how development can go hand in hand with environmental responsibility. However, while the Dono approach holds immense promise, its expansion beyond Ouagadougou and Bobo-Dioulasso presents challenges that Traoré's government must tackle. To scale the project across all 13 provinces, extensive training programs, increased funding, and widespread community participation will be essential. Ensuring consistent material quality while adapting the method to different landscapes, from sandy plains to rugged highlands, will be a true test of its flexibility. Tiemle Jean Winsilas emphasized that continued investment and dedication are crucial for maintaining momentum, and the Ministry of Infrastructure plans to gradually expand the program to reach every corner of the nation. Despite these challenges, Traoré's proactive leadership, combined with JICA's expertise, lays a strong foundation for overcoming obstacles and unlocking the full potential of the Dono technique. This initiative represents more than just an infrastructure upgrade. It is a bold statement that Africa can innovate, adapt, and lead in sustainable development. As of February 2025, Burkina Faso has emerged as a model for efficient, cost-effective, and eco-friendly road construction, proving that progress does not have to come at the expense of the environment. The rapid expansion of the Dono technique, driven by a blend of international support and local ingenuity, underscores Burkina Faso's commitment to connectivity, economic empowerment, and self-sufficiency. This is not just about building roads, it is about forging a path to a stronger, more independent future. With each road built, another barrier is removed, another opportunity is created, and another community is brought closer to education, healthcare, and trade. Could this innovative approach redefine infrastructure development across Africa? Will other nations adopt Burkina Faso's model of sustainable growth? Share your thoughts on the future of African infrastructure and the impact of this transformative initiative. If you find this inspiring, spread the message, and let's continue the conversation. Stay tuned for more updates on Africa's progress, and let's celebrate the continent's rise together.